step? Why don't you just take a step? Why don't you just take a step? Why don't you just take a step? Why don't you? Why don't you? Why don't you take a step?
Hello and welcome to another edition of Take a Step. My name is Moses Humphrey, the quiz master, and Take a Step is a quiz program designed for students in secondary schools. And we have our students with us, ready to play for who will take the most steps today. Also, do know that you can be part of this show and other shows. All you have to do is visit our YouTube channel at NTAETV and be part of everything going on right here. Let's meet our students. Put your hands together for Esther Okoli. And she will be competing with Enoch Oyelami. Well, our students will be out here to play the crossword puzzle, and after which they will get into the quiz proper. But that will be after this short break.
Take a Step is a production of NTA Educational Television. NTA Educational Television, promoting learning.
Welcome back. Here we have Esther and Enoch ready to play the crossword puzzle, and whoever crosses the most words takes the very first step on the show. Are you ready?
Why don't you take a step?
Pick up your markers. You have 40 seconds to cross as many words as you can find. Your 40 seconds starts now. Flip and start crossing. You have words like hands, head, ears, legs, chin, basically parts of the body. And if you add a letter that is not in the original word, it automatically disqualifies the word itself. 40 seconds taken away. Tick tock, tick tock. Your time is up. Let's count from Enoch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put your hands together for him. 5 words crossed. And Esther, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as well. Put your hands together for her as well. All right, I'll be starting off with the lady.
Why don't you take a step?
We'll be starting off with English, and you are to give the meaning nearest to the underlined idiom. The meaning nearest, or the nearest meaning to the underlined idiom. If you want me to tell you what the idiom is, I will tell you what it is. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Ready? You have questions 1 to 5 to pick from. So go ahead, pick a number.
Number 2.
Pardon?
2.
Number 2. The idiom here is dark horse. Before the start of the last races, Diron was a dark horse. Options are A, a black horse, B, a loser, C, one whose chances of success were not yet known.
Question again.
Before the start of the last race, Diron was a dark horse.
C.
There goes the bell. Unfortunately, that came very late. C, one whose chances of success were not yet known was the right answer, but it didn't come before the bell. I'm sorry. Your question.
Question 1.
Question 1. The idiom here is a pinch of salt. Here is your question. I took his statement with a pinch of salt. Options are A, with some salt in my mouth. B, with caution and reserve. C, with eagerness.
B.
B, with caution and reserve. Put your hands together for him. Right answer. Go ahead, take that step on the red circle. Great. Your question now, Esther.
Number 3.
Number 3. The idiom is call it a day. So here's your question. At this point, we must call it a day. Options are A, decide that we have done enough work for the day. B, say that it is only one day. C, make it a memorable occasion.
A.
A, decide that we've done enough work for one day. That is the answer. Put your hands together for her. Go ahead. Okay. Your question now.
Question 5.
Question 5. The idiom is a little bird. A little bird told me that you bought a new car yesterday. Options are A, a parrot. B, a little girl. C, an unnamed revealer.
C.
C, right answer. Take the step. Congratulations to you. And so we wrap up English. We now go on to mathematics.
Why don't you take a step?
Going over to mathematics now. Esther, how do you play?
Number 2.
Number 2. Find the mean of the following: 24.57, 25.63, 24.32, 26.01, 25.77. Your options are A, 25.12, B, 25.30, C, 25.26. And there goes the bell. The answer is C, 25.26. 3. Simplify. Bracket 2 over 3 minus 1 over 5, close bracket, minus 1 over 3 of 2 over 5 divided over 3 minus 1 over 1.5. Your options are A, 1 over 7, B, 7, C, 1 over 3. And there goes the bell. The answer is A, 1 over 7. Your question now.
Question 5.
Question 5. P sold his bicycle to Q at a profit of 10%. Q sold it to R for 209 naira at a loss of 5%. How much did the bicycle cost P? The options are A, 200 naira, B, 196 naira, C, 180 naira,
180 naira.
180 naira is the wrong answer. The right answer is A, 200 naira. Your question now, Enoch.
Question 4.
Question 4. If 236 plus 441 equals 714, what number base has been used? Is it A, 10, B, 9, C, 8?
Base 9.
9 is the right answer. Put your hands together for him. All right, go ahead, take that step. Congratulations to you. With that, we come to the end of mathematics. We now go on to biology.
Why don't you take a step?
Moving on to biology. Esther, how do you play? Pick a number.
Number 1.
Number 1. Which of the following organs produce bile? Is it A, liver, B, spleen, C, pancreas?
C, pancreas.
Pancreas, wrong answer. The right answer is A, liver. Your question, Enoch?
Question 2.
Question 2. Milk can be pasteurized by A, boiling for 1 hour, B, the addition of common salt, C, heating to 75 degrees centigrade, or for 20 minutes.
A.
A, boiling for 1 hour. Wrong answer. The right answer is C, heating to 75 degrees or for 20 minutes. Your question now.
Number 4.
Number 4. A true fruit is formed from A, a fertilized ovary, B, a fertilized ovary and calyx, C, a fertilized ovary and fleshy receptacle.
A.
A, a fertilized ovary is the right answer. Go ahead, take the step. Congratulations to you. Your question.
Question 3.
Question 3. The organ through which food and oxygen are supplied to the human embryo and which also prevents harmful materials from reaching the embryo is the A, uterus, B, placenta, C, fallopian tube.
C, fallopian tube.
Wrong answer. The right answer is B, placenta. We move away from biology over now to economics.
Why don't you take a step?
Your question, Esther.
Number 1.
Number 1. Which of these is wrong? Central banks are A, bankers to the government, B, merchant banks, C, issuers of banknotes.
C. A, sorry. A.
A. Wrong answer. The right answer is B, merchant banks. They are not merchant banks. Your question now.
Question 5.
Question 5. Opportunity cost is the A, cost of luxury goods, B, price of scarce goods, C, alternative foregone in order to satisfy a want.
C.
C, right answer. Put your hands together for him. You may take that step. Congratulations to you. All right. Esther.
Number 3.
Number 3. Division of labor means A, assigning different duties to labor, B, dividing the labor into different categories, C, splitting the process of production into different parts to be completed by each person.
C.
C, right answer. Go ahead, take that step. Congratulations to you. Your question now, Enoch.
Question 4.
Question 4. By utility, we mean A, usefulness, B, power of satisfying a want, C, consumable.
A.
A, usefulness. Wrong answer. The right answer is B, the power of satisfying a want. We now move on to vocation.
Why don't you take a step?
And on vocation today, we're looking at tie and dye. So, Esther.
Number 1.
Number 1. The manipulations of the fabric prior to application of dye is called what? A, resists, B, colors, C, stencils.
C.
Are you guessing? You're not sure?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Well, C is the wrong answer. The right answer is A, resists. Your question.
Question 2.
Question 2. The process of tie-dye typically consists of folding, twisting, pleating, or dash fabrics. A, shaking, B, crumbling, C, ironing.
B.
B, crumbling. Right answer. Put your hands together for him. Take the step. Congratulations to you, Esther.
Number 4.
Number 4. VAT dyes are insoluble in water in their unreduced form. An example is A, indigo, B, shibori, C, batik.
A. Batik. Sorry. C.
C, batik. Wrong answer. The right answer is A, indigo. Your question now.
3.
3. Indigo dye pits are located in and around where in Nigeria? A, Katsina, B, Kaduna, C, Kano.
A.
A, Katsina. Wrong answer. The right answer is C, Kano. Now we move on to the very last for the day, which is profession.
Why don't you take a step?
How do you play, Esther? Pick a number.
Number 2.
Number 2. What do we cast the foundation of a house with? Is it A, mortar, B, clay, C, concrete?
A. Mortar.
Wrong answer.
C.
Wrong answer. The right answer is C, concrete. Your question now, Enoch.
Question 5.
Question 5. Which of the materials used in molding blocks make particles cling together? Is it A, water and sand, B, cement, or C, all of the above?
C.
C, all of the above. Right answer. Take that step. Congratulations to you. Your question now, Esther.
Number 3.
Pardon?
3.
Number 3. Which of the following cannot be fixed in a building by a plumber? Is it A, water closet, B, bath taps, C, electric sockets?
C.
Electric sockets, C, right answer. Put your hands together for her. Take the step. Congratulations to you. And Enoch, your final question.
Question 1.
Question 1. What is the name given to the platform made before a house is built on it? Is it A, foundation, B, stage, C, carpet?
Foundation.
Foundation is the right answer. And so we come to the end of the show with Enoch, emerging winner. Haven't taken more steps, of course. Put your hands together for him. Let's meet in front. We'll go on a very quick break. When we come back, our contestants will be presented with their gift items.
Why don't you take a step?
Welcome back. Before that break, we saw the game between Esther Okoli and Enoch Oyelami. And we saw Enoch, emerging winner on the show, having taken a few more steps, more than Esther did. But this is coming to you courtesy NTA Educational TV. Thank you very much, Esther. And this goes to our winner, Enoch. Put your hands together for him.
Thank you, sir.
And you too can be part of the show. All you have to do is call the number scrolling on your screen, and you can be here to play Take a Step. Till I come your way again, remember to check us out on YouTube at NTA ETV. My name is Moses Humphrey, and I'll leave you with these words. Knowledge is power, but enthusiasm pulls the switch. I'll see you next time. Read more. Bye for now.
Why don't you just take a step? Why don't you just take a step? Why don't you just take a